awful. They've just taken these trees in the last couple of days, and we know that the next thing they're going to be doing is the whole of this hedgerow. They're going to work back. This is the field with the drilling marsh that we saw next to the New Year's Green Bourne. This is going to be the load test pile compound. The pipeline, the gas pipeline diversion is going to come over there and go under the Bourne. Again, remember, this is a significant pollution pathway. They're going to be tunnelling under. They've got no environmental permits. Cadent, Murphy haven't applied for any. So if we look behind this area, if you'd have come before the 12th of February, this was full of habitat. It was, you know, head height habitat, and a huge number of species were in there, and there were protected species. There were toads, which are clearly a wetland species. They've cleared this to make wetland mitigation. Now, mitigation is the word which means to make something less bad. So they've actually cleared habitats of toads, of voles, of foxes, of huge numbers of insects, which are the basis for all the flocks of birds that were here. And they've decimated, they've taken every bit of life away in order to create a wetland mitigation site for Colne Valley. And once that's in place, if you'd like to look at this, all of these wet woodlands are being removed, including this 300-year-old beautiful oak tree in front of us, and all the wet woodland. And the mitigation for the whole of this is that field surrounded by fences with that cone in the middle. They're going to be putting in a pond for great crested newts and snakes that don't go together. And that's the mitigation. And before they touched it, it was full of life.
And every mitigation site they put in is a pond, a pile of logs, and what's it called? A basking bank. They're all exactly the same, on a couple of trees, and that's it. That's
whether they're ecological mitigation, grassland mitigation, wetland mitigation, they're the same thing.
Yeah.
And there will be no life in any of them.
Worth pointing out that those are archaeological digs there, which was part of the council's refusal of application of the planning application. They obviously HS2 obviously caved in on that and went for the archaeology, not so for the ecology. I'm not entirely certain, but those particular digs have been open for nearly a week, maybe a bit more than that now. And I suspect they may have found something in there, but I'm not sure.
Well, the thing about an archaeological dig, you can dig it, record it, cover it up, and just carry on. Well, you can't do that with a ecological site. It has to stay as it is with trees and bushes and things.
But this is a
very
functioning
archaeological
ecosystem,
site is,
and that they're already ruining it.
Yes.
so that's how long is that archaeological site for? Do they know?
As long as it takes.
No, but how old is it?
Oh,
They know.
we're not allowed into that field.
They don't know.
No.
But they've got people looking at it.
Yeah.
I remember you saying.
Well, the thing is, the way they've dug all the trenches is with a bulldozer, a great big digger.
Yeah, you don't do archaeological
You don't
digs like that. You don't know what you're
I'm afraid
destroying.
You do, when you're doing archaeological digs pre-development, you do it as fast as possible because tunnel diggers, it's not ideal, but that's how you do it. They had an idea of how deep they would have to go to find anything there, so that's what they've done. They go straight down to that level. It's not ideal, never is, but it's better than nothing. The other thing that is worth noting that these are the fields that they stripped of vegetation and then did an ecological survey.
Shouldn't be getting